Hello, Screven County Schools. Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm your instructional technology coach, Marlene Harris. In this episode, I'd like to show you how you can use Google Drive FileStream to access your files in My Drive and Team Drive when you're working offline. We'll also look at how you can organize and access all of your Google Drive files through your Windows File Explorer. So let's get started looking at Google Drive FileStream. So what exactly is Google Drive FileStream? FileStream will allow you to save specific My Drive and Team Drive files and folders offline. It will allow you to view and organize your files and folders in File Explorer. It will allow you to open your files that are stored in My Drive with local apps that may be stored on your computer. You have convenient access to My Drive files and folders without using the storage space on your desktop or laptop computer. To begin using FileStream, you'll first need to download the app. To download the app, you can use this shortened URL link, or you can Google Drive FileStream Google Support. Either way, you'll land on this Google Drive help page, and you'll click the Download for Windows option. You'll need to download the application file, and you can put it directly on your desktop so it's easy to find. Click Save. In the bottom left corner, you can click the executable file to install Google Drive FileStream, or you can run the file directly from your desktop where you saved it. After you install FileStream, you can find that application in the bottom right taskbar. You may have to show the hidden icons, and then locate your Drive FileStream. Click to open FileStream. In the top right corner of the menu, you'll have more options, and you can pause syncing at any time. You can switch account, sign out, or quit syncing anytime you wish. To access your Google Drive folder, click on the folder icon. Now you should notice a G drive in your File Explorer below your C drive and any other drives that you may have attached. You should also have a quick access link up here to your Google Drive FileStream. You can now access all your files and folders that are located in My Drive or Team Drives. Double-click to access any of the files and folders that you have stored in your Google Drive. To make any of your files available offline, right-click on the desired file or folder, choose Drive FileStream from the menu, and Make Available Offline. As a word of caution, please be selective on which files and folders you choose to sync. Only sync files and folders that you would need in an offline situation, like your PowerPoint presentations or Smart Notebook files that you would need to teach from. Only sync files and folders that you know are safe from viruses and ransomware. Ransomware can infect and encrypt your Google Drive files, just as they have on our network files in the past. Also keep in mind that Google Drive has unlimited storage, but your laptop or desktop does not. So again, please take extra precaution when you're choosing which files and folders you would like to sync. Even if you choose not to sync any of your files and folders to your laptop or desktop, I think you'll enjoy the convenience of having your files and folders accessible through your File Explorer. I hope that you'll find the Drive FileStream app convenient and easy to use. If you need any assistance on installing it or using it, please let me know. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to our next Tech Tip Tuesday.